Hello everybody, this is Sasha Monique Talks. Hello my friends. So today I got a wig review. I got this wig from Aliexpress. Came in a little plain thing like this. And this is the short bob wig, straight human hair wig, full machine made. You know I have my signature style. I wanted to change it up a little bit. It's still a bob, but it's shorter. This is my first time ordering from Aliexpress. And they have it in the little plain thing. Nothing else in the package. They did give me a pack of 2 wig caps. That's nice. You can always use more wig caps, right? So let me take all the stuff out. So this is supposed to be human hair. I don't know how this is going to be, y'all, because it was very inexpensive. But here's the lace. It has a strap, which is good to hold it on your head. Good. I like these kind of straps. They are pretty nice. It has a comb here and a comb on this side. That's good. And a comb at the bottom. These at the bottom never hold up, right? So now I will come back with it. It is very short. It is very, very short, but I wanted a shorter one. They have the longer ones too. But I think this is the 8-inch, I believe. So here it is, y'all. I'm not feeling this wig right now. No. Sometimes, this is a very thin wig. Thin wigs tend to look more natural than those big, thick ones, but this is not looking good. This is not looking good. Not good so far. My big head looking like Fred Flintstone. So I got that lace off. It's really, really thin. It's really thin. And it was supposed to like have a, let me see. I'm wearing it the wrong way. This don't look nothing like the picture. The picture looks a little bit longer, but I wanted it short, but I don't know about this wig, y'all. About this wig. That's look a little bit better, but it feels light on my head. That's one good thing. For human hair, I don't know what kind of hair this person had, but their hair is just as thin as my hair. How did they get them to buy this hair? But the hair feels nice. I have to tell the truth about that. The hair feels nice. It has a nice feel to it. I think I might have to clip that a little bit. I'm looking like Betty Boop a little bit. I don't want to look like that. It was cute on her, but it's not cute on me. Maybe once I wear it for a while and it start to get a little more, but I expected to see more curl to it, and I expect it to be a little bit thicker. And it's not. So, what do you guys think? It's very short, right? I'm gonna put some of this Lusty Oil Moisturizing Hair Lotion. I'm gonna put some of that on it. And I might have to throw some curls, and I'd have to do that off camera because when I get a wig, I guess I got to stick to the synthetics, because when I get a wig, I don't want to have to do all that. I do that to my old wigs, but for a new wig, I don't really feel like doing all that. I like the sheen that Lusty added to this wig. Now let me see. Some people had this wig. They had it towards the middle. Let me see what I'm looking like. But you can wear it different ways. You know, I guess I cannot complain that much for the price of this wig. You can look down in the description, and you can look down in the description and see, you know, if this is something, if you just want something simple to throw on. I think that's that type. This is that type of wig. And I do think I look better though with a little more hair. So maybe next time I'll get the longer length one. I didn't want it, I'll brush on. I didn't want it all the way down here because I always wear my hair like that. And I wanted something a little different. They had one, I don't know if I saw it on Aliexpress or whether I saw it on another website. They had like the honey brown with a little highlights in it. That was cute, but I was scared to try that. But maybe I'll get that one, and maybe I'll get that one in a little longer length. I really don't like the way this side is looking. I'm looking like that Dutch boy on that paint can, y'all. Y'all remember that paint? Do they still have that paint with the Dutch boy on it? Probably do. I should have got a little more of that lace off, y'all. Let's see. They had it looking a little bit like this, but it was curl. And then you can, they had it looking like you could part this different ways. I don't know. Maybe this wig will grow on me, maybe. See how it looks with a little more body. So this is my review of this wig. It's like a I don't know if they're calling this color natural or is this the dark brown, because I forgot. But it's inexpensive, and maybe I can do something with it, get a little use out of it. But I would suggest, unless you wear short wigs on a regular basis, try the longer length. Actually, the sellers kept sending me emails, and they were saying, I saw you ordered such and such wig and the short, and maybe you want to try the longer one. So they kept sending me those emails. I said, yeah, they want me to pay a little more extra money, but I wish I wish I had listened and got the longer one, but this was like in transit. I mean, why you should have contacted me as soon as I ordered that wig and say maybe, but everybody don't like the same thing. Maybe somebody want a shorter wig. This is what it is, y'all. This is what it is. Short. This is what it is. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you happen to like this style, check out the description and see not only this length, they have longer lengths too. They have some down here. They have here. This is usually my usual length that I get. But they're affordable. But the longer they get, a little more expensive. But they just didn't have anything else going in the bag. I mean, at least have the name of the thing in the bag. So thank you so much for watching, y'all. And have a wonderful day. All right. Bye. I'm going to have the pictures of this wig, what it really looks like. Okay. I probably post it before this video and then after. Okay.